What's up, guys? Today we were making this paleo chocolate cake with chocolate frosting, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by throwing our ingredients into a food processor. So you're going to put your flaxseed, almond flour, tapioca flour, monk sugar sweetener, vanilla flavoring. We're going to put our egg, our cocoa powder, and then we're just going to blend all of that up until it's smooth. While you're doing this, and maple syrup. Preheat your oven to 350. So we're just going to blend all of this together. This does make 8 servings. It is like smaller than you would expect though, so it is really rich, so you don't need a ton, but these are going to be smaller like bits, so if you want to do more, you're more than welcome. I put it on a springform pan because I thought that it was going to make more than it did, but it all set up really nicely, and it was honestly like just the perfect amount. So we're going to bake that in the oven. I baked mine for about like 15 minutes. You'll know when it's like all basically set up. Then we're going to take our dark chocolate, we're going to melt it, and then we're going to mix it together with coconut milk and set it to the side until our cake is done. And as you can see, it just makes this really creamy kind of texture. And then let that sit for about 2 hours and it'll look like this. Super tasty. It was a really nice snack to have that still fit within my macros. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe. If you tried this for yourself, let me know how it goes. But otherwise, enjoy and bon appetit, y'all.